Here's an easy 3-ball out that people mess up all the time. Ball in hand in this situation, it's very simple, but a lot of people mess this up. I've seen it many times, right? If they go for the wrong ball first, you could be snookered behind the 8. If you go for this, that could work, but if you have the wrong speed, it kicks out and then you're done. So the easiest way, you can either go this way or that way. You're better off to go the other way, in this case. Doesn't matter though, it works. Just go like this, follow it up. You won't scratch because you're slightly off. Make sure you go as far as possible without hitting the rail. And now you got an easy shot on this. Let's go forward first. And that works, alright? You can also bring it back also. Now we have a simple shot on the 8. Right, now the next one, same thing, same positions. That's that way. Now we can go this way. I don't like this way for this reason, right? If you do this, sure, you can get lucky and come in here, but you could also, you have a big area where you won't be able to see the next shot. It's blocked by the 8, okay? So I can do it nice and soft, and I got blocked. Well, I did. No, I know, I can't even see. Yeah, I can get that. So I got lucky here, you know. Alright, I got lucky, but that's not what you want to do. It's not what you want to do.